Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
So, the big question, what does it taste like? It tastes like chicken but chewier, his wife Becky adds. Daniel admits that python meat can be gamier. The chef tenderizes the slabs of snake meat by marinating them for several hours.
Take our lead.
The vast majority of snake species are edible, regardless of whether they are venomous or not. If you'd rather avoid venomous snakes, king snakes, water snakes, and garter snakes are all said to be tasty. A lot of the taste comes from how the meat is prepared, of course.
Take our lead.
Snake has long been used in traditional Chinese medicine. It was first mentioned in a Chinese agriculture and medicinal plant book in 100 AD. People also eat snake soup because they believe it eases the symptoms of arthritis, improves blood circulation and ups the male sex drive.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Most reptiles are also considered haram, including chameleons, lizards, and snakes, as are most pests hasharat al-ard, such as mice and rats. Surah al-A'raf, v. 157. A difference of opinion remains on whether consumption of horse, mule, and donkey are permitted.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Nothing like some good old python jerky. When pythons are safe to eat, they can actually be quite delicious, says Donna Khalil, one of the program's python hunters. She also likes turning the snakes into jerky. It's really good when you cook it right, Khalil told CNN.
Take our lead.
They can also be tasty if prepared correctly, said Water Management District python hunter Donna Khalil. She also eats python eggs, which she said are good hard-boiled with sriracha sauce. If you try to cook them like a fried egg, it will come out like a pancake and kind of rubbery, Khalil said.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.